My dear friends, tired of looking your dull apartment balcony? Imagine turning that tiny space into a peaceful Zen retreat. You will require no major budget, no big backyard. In today's video from Relax Garden, we will show you smart, budget-friendly garden design ideas that transform even the smallest balconies into cozy green escapes. From vertical gardens and compact seating to magical lighting and calming color themes, you'll find all here simple and soothing. So take your favorite drink, relax, and let's design your dream balcony together. If you enjoy these efforts and ideas, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your favorite, the best tip, and subscribe to Relax Garden for more peaceful garden inspiration. Short on space? Go vertical. Vertical gardens are a smart, beautiful way to green up your balcony. Use wall-mounted planters in wood, metal, or fabric, stacked neatly or as a casual collage. Try open shelves or racks lined with herbs, flowers, or trailing vines like jasmine. Even hanging pockets or old shoe organizers work great. They're cheap, easy, and space-saving. Feeling creative? Build a pallet wall or trellis and let plants climb. Vertical gardening adds layers, texture, and calm, even in the smallest spaces. Your balcony doesn't need to be full of plants to feel peaceful. Just pick one quiet corner and turn it into your own Zen retreat. Lay down a bamboo mat or rug, add a few soft cushions, and keep the colors natural, like cream, beige, or light green. Place a few gentle plants nearby. Ferns, snake plants, or peace lilies work beautifully. A small table or crate can hold your tea, book, or candle. For extra calm, try a wind chime or mini fountain and hang soft lights above. With just a few touches, even the smallest balcony can become your peaceful escape. Your balcony railing is prime space for adding greenery without crowding the floor. Mount long planter boxes to grow herbs or flowers. They boost privacy and bring life right to the edge. Pick trailing plants like ivy or petunias to spill over the sides, adding movement and charm. Above, hang baskets from ceiling hooks or brackets. Ferns, spider plants, and begonias do great here and love some shade. Vary the heights for a layered look without clutter. Together, railing planters and hanging pots create a lush garden feel, while keeping your space open and peaceful. Now that your greenery is set, it's time to make it cozy. Even the tiniest balcony can fit a comfy seat. Try a folding chair or a compact bench. Easy to move, perfect to relax. Add a cushion, and you got a peaceful spot to sip tea or read. Behind the seat, place tall planters or a simple plant wall. Use bamboo screens, lattice, or shelves with leafy plants like snake plant or calathea for privacy and calm. Want a cafe feel? Add a small round table, one chair, and a few layered pots. It's cozy green and just enough to escape the day. Small spaces can still deliver big style. Your tiny balcony is a perfect canvas for creativity. No big budget needed. Start with a color theme. Earthy tones or vibrant blues give a cohesive look. Add one bold feature, like a large plant, a bright rug, or a sculptural piece to catch the eye. Play with textures. Mix soft fabrics, greenery, and metal or brick. Lighting matters too. String lights or lanterns turn it into a cozy evening spot. Use the walls. Hang art or mirrors for personality without clutter. Just a few smart choices can make your balcony feel polished and personal. Thanks for joining us on this peaceful tour of small balcony garden ideas. Even the tiniest space can become a calming retreat with just a few green touches. Share your favorite idea in the comments, and subscribe for more relaxing garden inspiration. Until next time, stay grounded, stay green, and keep growing.